Okay, do the front door again. See, them workers are coming back. They got to be notified. All right, this is all brood in here. This is all brood. This is all brood. Okay, so this one here, we cannot put a feeder in here because it's way too crowded. Okay, see how if they're not coming up, they're okay on the smoke.
Okay.
Right, you see the way they got all you see are tails?
Right.
That means they know that they have to get the honey in their stomach. So too much smoke, they get defensive because then they really get confused what's going on.
Okay.
So as long as they're not coming up looking at us or they're loud,
Okay, gotcha.
then you don't really need much. Now, we have to go down, again, I don't want to, but we have to get that apivore out. Okay, that side is up. I brush under the handle to make sure there's no bees. And I pick it up. This thing weighs about 20 pounds. Okay. Apivore. That's it. Chase them down.